think I'm lost. Kyle, they made us come here against our will. They forced us. I'm telling you, they forced us to come here.
Okay.
They forced us. You forced us to come here against our will.
I'm going to drink
just
this,
saying.
and this is going to be my meal. I ain't eating that.
It's for it's just for my YouTube video. But what he didn't agree with us that In-N-Out is better than Whataburger.
I didn't ever say that.
Yeah, he did.
What is In-N-Out?
She said, "What is In-N-Out?"
I gotta go.
I gotta go.
I don't know where we are. What state are we in, boys? Hey, Dan.
Loading navigation, we're getting there.
Are we still in Louisiana?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You know, I figured out what Rudy's problem is. We need some of these. And that's a fact. Meandering around slow rider. We just had us some brekkie. We made it, boys. We made it. We found us some hitchhikers over here. And a dang. Where did you guys get a Camry? What are you doing down there, Rudy? Bouncer off, and my bouncer cock tooth caught the freaking seal, ripped it out, and now we're leaking out the front seal, of course, when we get here. So, we gotta swap the bouncer out. The hombre brought our bouncer down. My head's like an eclipse. The old girl ready to go here. My boys changed the balancer yesterday. No balancer on it. We're having a problem with my old one. Like the cog belt drive on the back for a fuel pump. And for some reason the gear was digging into the seal every time. So swapped the balancer on that. New seal. No more oil leaks. Man, to be here, to actually make it to Florida, have a running car, be here with my solid group of guys, it's a win all in itself. I wish I was a little bit more confident going into the race today. I just haven't really got to make a lot of laps on this thing without it having issues. We changed a few things. We think we got a handle on it. There's still an underlying issue that's there that we're hunting for, but it shouldn't hurt itself as fast anyways, hopefully. We didn't get to spend a significant amount of time testing. I know a lot of the other rear-wheel drive guys were out here testing and stuff like last night, and man, I didn't have it in me. I'm gonna admit it. I freaking spent all my energy getting this thing going and running and whatnot, and I got out here. We got to the Airbnb yesterday afternoon, and hadn't slept since Monday, and I was just a freaking zombie. I wish I could have dedicated a couple hours to go test. I'm really going to kick myself in the ass for not doing it. I know that. It is what it is. I mean, we're here. We battled. We got the car running. She's here in one piece. And I don't know what else to say. I mean, we're going to give her hell. We're going to definitely give her hell. We're going to have a great time. It's all about making memories and having fun. So that's what we're going to do. Here we are. Alright, we out here. Look, I'm gonna get someone famous on my YouTube. Oh, Megan, now I'm gonna get all the views because Megan's on my YouTube.
That's true.
Anyway, we out here. We made it. We battled. Y'all seen it. 6, 7 engines, countless hours of sleep, countless dollars, countless hours of work, countless hours of driving, and all the motivation from my boys. But we're here. We're here, baby. Let's go. Gerd's here.
Yo, we made it.
Yeah.
How about that?
Hey, you're leaving me hanging, dog.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Kyle, Rudy, Rasca's over there somewhere. Tudor, Austin. Actually, Rasca's not over there. There's Rasca. There's Dad. There he is. Tudor and Austin. Austin, you're doing a good job fluffing my car. Thank you, bro. The surface. Here, the surface we racing on. Looks like they've been making some hits out here already. That guy on the all-wheel drive?
A lot of these guys there also, and you know, you guys can work together today and in the future, you know.
All right, we did the drivers meeting. So we came up with the game plan. I'm gonna walk up to the drivers meeting. I'm gonna try to get Gringo to race me first round. We're gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna go to the drivers meeting. Thank you, boys. It's not gay. This is not gay at all. It's not too much, but it's not freaking gay. I tell you. I swear to God.
Thank you guys all for coming. I know some of you drove really far, as far as Washington. So I really appreciate you guys all showing up. This is a nice 32-car field. As far as I know. I think this is a big deal. I don't have any.
You look like a booty hole.
Good spots to see. So you'll see call outs. What's that?
You cut my sleeves off?
I'll cut your sleeves off. Anyone have a call out they want to try and do?
Yeah.
Hey, you call me a duck,
To your
brother?
mom.
Let me get you first round.
First round.
What?
Can I have all the drivers for rear-wheel drive stand right here?
You gotta get the picture.
I want to take a picture while you
All right, we called out Gringo. First pair, first round, down the road, and he took it. I'm poor. We didn't have any side bet money, man. I cashed my piggy bank in to get here. So we bet the outfit. What he don't know is I'm going to give him all the outfit. He getting underwear, everything. The only thing I'm keeping is the socks. So my philosophy with the call out, right? Let me take this off so you guys can take me a little more seriously. My philosophy with the call out is I know that we've been struggling, right? Like we don't have the confidence that we should have with our program right now. Normally, I feel we can get down anything and we're a bad motherfucker. But right now, we just don't have the testing. So I want to be a team player. We have to think and strategize as a team, as a whole. So my philosophy is I want to call out the fastest dude on their team. If he takes it, sweet. If he doesn't, he doesn't. But if he takes it and I win, like I beat the fastest guy on their team. If he takes it and I lose, I lost to the fastest guy on their team, but it ensured that every one of our other rear-wheel drive teammates got to go on to the next round, and they didn't have to take a chance of racing the fastest guy. So just a little bit of strategy. It might not be the best strategy, but for me, it makes sense. It's either going to be awesome for me, or guess what? It's going to be awesome for me because I got nothing to lose. We won by just making it here with a running car. Hey, Dad, we drove our car up here.
shit.
We got a street car. Before I came over here, I took it through McDonald's. I got me some breakfast. I was hungry,
Should've got us
baby.
something.
I was hungry. So, sheesh. That's who we got first round. Might as well call out the baddest one, right? So this is who we called out the baddest motherfucker here, first round. If you can't do it first round, you ain't gonna do it any other round, right? So, man, it's an honor to race you. Thank you very much. This truck's bad. Manuel's got his program together. You guys driving the wheels off this thing. You guys got a solid program. It's gonna be an honor to race you guys for sure, man. For me, it's like I said, it's a win just being here. All the stuff we battled through. So to race you, it's just a memory I get to chalk it up as, and having a great time, bro. Be safe.
You too.
Good luck, bro.
Thank you.
Hey, after I gap you, can you tow me back to the pits with your truck?
Hey, I'll take you back to Arizona.
Thank you, bro. Just in case, I have had some truck problems too, so you can make me get back there. All right, thank you.
I need one of those.
our car.
This is what happens when you go out first round. Your crew's like, all right, well, we're going to be homos now.
Yep. Fuck it.
Here, let me go.
Someone has to be action right here.
Yes.
There we go. Right in the... I heard fucking please. Oh,
10 minutes.
Holy crap, Trey. Is that a Eclipse?
Yes.
Like a Mitsubishi Eclipse? Yeah.
Well, pull off there. Maybe that's what that thing is. Oh shit. There we go.
Oh man, watch the wing.
Watch the wing.
Butt hit bite for sale. Anybody want to get your butt hurt bite here? Well, I'm sorry guys. I'm not very good at busting out the camera. I always dang forget to get the camera out and explain what the heck's going on. So we called out Gringo first round. I was feeling good, right? I'm either laying on the grenade for the homies or we're going to put old boy on the trailer. You never know what the heck's going to happen. We're here to gamble and we like that. We pull up to the line. We pull that bad boy up on the brake. Just shuts right off. Nothing we could do. Just watched him take off. We watched Limpy bang the light and old boy just drove right away from us. Not a dang thing you could do about it. It is what it is. Can't be mad. We hustled, we worked our ass off, and we made it here, right? There's a few issues we still have with the car. I'm not sure why it shut off. Doesn't make any sense. A few other things that we've seen that we didn't like, so we're not really going to try to get into any street racing or anything like that. We were going to try to go to Orlando while we were here, but the way our luck's been and the way I've been getting my arse kicked, we made it to this race. That was a victory all on its own. Look at that. F1 video. We made it here. That was a victory all in itself, right? That's a W. So we're just going to chalk that up as a win. Go hang out for the rest of the day, enjoy ourselves on the beach, get some rolling shots, drive the car around, and we're going to head home. There's no reason to take a chance hurting it or doing anything, heading to one of those races and having it shut off again, or, something happens, maybe it, worse. I don't know. I mean, there's been so much random stuff happening. It's just not even funny. It's never the same issue twice, which is what's very, very frustrating. I fix it, find an issue, fix it, something else happens. Find an issue, fix it, something else happens. First it was main bearing issues and a couple blocks and a couple cranks, and then it was reluctor wheel braking and, sending it to catastrophic failure. Then the converter bolts broke and hit the limiter, catastrophic failure, and then head gaskets twice after that. And it's just, oh my gosh. But I ain't gonna give up. I love this stuff more than anything. I'll work my ace off for the rest of me being here because I'm all about bringing y'all smiles per gallon, man. That's what it's about. I ain't gonna be the fastest, but y'all will remember me. So anyway, we're gonna go hang out with the boys, see what we can get into. Hey, damn it, Kyle, our car, it just shut right off. I think Kyle went and hit the kill switch. He said, you know what happened, bro? I'm gonna walk. I was
trying to give him a chance.
Yeah, he said, we gotta make these all-wheel drive guys look good. So see how he's hitting them switches? He just walked up to the back of my car and said, hit the off button. It is what it is. We still made it here.
We did.
Car's still running, drove back in the box. We're about to go drive it around on the beach. So that's a win.
Let's roll.
Joey, can I teabag your Mustang? That was rude. Joey's rude. Joey only made it because he's faster than everybody. Joey only made it because he's faster than everybody because he's got a freaking pro mod. That's the only reason why he went one round. Two. He went 2 rounds because he got a pro mod.
I went into 7.
Pro mod. It's a pro.
Look at some more stick.
It looks like a pro mod.
Look at the carpet.
Look at the carpet. I'm trying to look at the carpet.
You want to?
Not maybe later.
What are you guys doing?
I freaking side bet Manny my outfit, right? I called him out first round.
You can wipe my
I'm
ass
just kidding.
with it
I'm
before
just
you
kidding.
give it to him.
I rubbed my nuts all over the brim of the hat.
Okay, good.
So I'm not going to say nothing, and I'm going to wait for him to put the hat on.
Good.
And then afterwards, I'm going to say, oh, I did rub my nuts all over the brim
Let
of
me
the
go
hat.
wipe my ass with it.
No, I don't want to.
Actually, Joey shit in my motorhome this morning. Let's go clean my toilet with it.
Oh, that would be beater
Let's
ball
do it.
shit.
Yeah, I thought he was joking with me, and he went in there and took a shit.
I mean, when you got to go, you got to go.
Yeah,
I'm going to go.
fucking porta potty.
I'm going to go give this the. No, let me give this to you real quick. There you go, bro. I gave you our side bet. Thank you.
Smells like ass.
I did. I wrote my notes on the hat. Don't wear the hat. It's on the brim of the hat. Get shirt off. Bro. Good range. Thank you. I really wanted to get some roller shots. I made that post on Facebook. What was your name again, brother?
Doug.
Doug, man. Hell yeah. You got social medias or anything?
Yeah, 7-3 Media, Facebook, Instagram. I do the editing and filming for Dr. Tunamal. So
Heck
I'm
yeah.
man behind the camera, does all that stuff as well.
Awesome. Sweet. Make sure you guys check him out. But hit me up on Facebook and said, I got you, bro. Let's get those rollers locked in. So we're racing the sunset light here. Let's get to it.